You don't see it yet. But it's already here. It's standing where I stand, smiling the way I smile.
So Higgsfield recently made Cinema Studio live, and this is a total game changer for video creation. Yeah, this is Cinema Studio right here. You can check out the video, the image models. Okay, for the image, we have, these are the features of Cinema Studio. You can see this. You can see it here. These are the features. You can do character swap, face swap, image upscale. You can paint, relight, so ID character. You can see these are the features and these are the models. I have the Higgsfield Soul, Higgsfield Popcorn, Nano Banana Pro, Seedance. Look at them. These are all. So coming to the video section here, these are the features and the models for the video section. You can access all of this on the Higgsfield platform. So you can actually also edit your character. You can paint, and for character, you can create your own character on the Higgsfield platform. Okay. Writing on the Higgsfield platform, you can also put it for a context, the ongoing Higgsfield contest. Here, this is the new context on ground. Higgsfield actually has so many tools that you can work with, but for this tutorial, we're working with the Cinema Studio 2.0 that has just been released. Okay, so this is a Cinema Studio right here, this very one. Let's see. Okay, so here we are on Cinema Studio 2.1. So these are the features. You can create an image and also you can generate a video. So I'm going to be doing both of them for this tutorial. So right here, you can actually, this is the number of images you can generate. So here is the 16:9 camera video ratio. Okay, so we'll be working with 16:9. So here you can select your resolution right here. Okay, then for the grid, you can select the grid. Okay, and here you have right here you have the Studio Digital, which is the camera, the type of camera that you want. You can actually select the camera that you want to use to generate. So first we're going to generate an image. We're going to generate 2 images and then 2 videos. Okay, so here is my prompt, because for the video scene, I'm going to be needing a start and end frame. Now, this is the video. This is the video part of Cinema Studio. So you can actually generate single shots, multi-shot auto, and multi-shot manual. I'm going with the multi-shot auto. You have your aspect ratio here. We're going with 16:9. You have your resolution here. Have this is a spectacle. So you have the spectacle here. You can either go for general, action, horror, comedy, western, superhero. This one is intimate and this one is spectacle. So you can choose whichever one you want to go for. And then here you have the start and then your end frame. Also right here you have the camera movement. So you can choose the camera movement you want to have, the static, handheld, zoom out, zoom in, camera follows. So you can actually choose how your camera movement should look like. And here you have the speed right here. You have auto, you have custom, you have linear, you have slow-mo. So you have the speed up as well. So you can just choose how you want it to be. And then here you have your duration right here. Here is your duration. So with all of this, you'll be able to generate a very good cinematic video. So let's first of all generate our images, and then we'll go over to generate our videos. Okay, so right here I have my image prompts, and then I already have everything set. So I'm going to go over to generate my image. Okay, let me have 2 generations so that I can choose from any of them. All right, and then generate. And here we have our images. This last one couldn't generate, so we can just leave it like that. So okay, I can choose from any of these images right here. Okay, so here we are. We have our images. So I generated 3 images. Okay, so here we are. I can just go ahead and choose any one of them. Okay, maybe I'll go with this very one. I'll go with this one, and then I'm going to download. Okay, so I have my image. Now I'm going to generate the second image. Okay, so here is my prompt for my image 2. Okay, this is prompt for my image 2. I have every other thing set up already, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate right here and wait for it to load. So here my image is ready. So it doesn't really align with the first image that I downloaded. Okay, so maybe I'll just have to go with this particular image so that it will align with the other recent image, which is this one. Okay, and then I download. Okay, so I've downloaded this. Now let's go ahead to generate our video. I'll come over to video section. Okay, so here I have my video prompt. All right, so I have every other thing set up already. For my spectacle, I'm going with horror. Okay, so I'm going to impute my start and my end frame. Okay, so my start and my end frames are ready, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate. Okay, I have 2 videos, generate. So our videos are ready. So let me play both of them for us to see.
You don't see it yet? But it's already here. It's standing where I stand, smiling the way I smile. You don't see it yet? But it's already here. It's standing where I stand, smiling the way I smile.
Wow, you can see this is really nice. This is a game changer. This is good. So you can just go ahead and download the videos. So I'm going to create one more video for us to see, and then we'll wrap it up on this tutorial. So here is my image prompt for the start frame. I'm going to go ahead and generate. So while that is generating, I'm going to also generate the image prompt for my end frame. So these are the images for both my end and my start frame. You can see them here. So these are the images. So I'm only going to take one out of each of them and then generate my video. So let's go over to generate the video. So I have everything all set up here. This is my video prompt, my multi-shot aspect ratio, and everything is set. And then I have my start and my end frame right here. And then I'm going to generate. So while our video is still loading, if you have not liked this video yet, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. So our videos are ready, and let's take a look at them. So this is the first one. And let's take a look at the second one. So with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. And to get access to Cinema Studio 2.0, kindly check the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment of this video to get access, and also to get access to my unique link. So with this, we come to the end of today's tutorial, and until I see you again in my next video, bye.
You don't see it yet? But it's already here. It's standing where I stand, smiling the way I smile. You don't see it yet? But it's already here. It's standing where I stand, smiling the way I smile.